nobody had any patience for.
Okay.
Right into my pet.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Fuck off.
You see how many rich white girls there are on this island? Society will never let them flourish.
How's your BFF?
So this guy washed up, is he good for anything?
You know, the kind that makes... It's our first plane.
Bam, where's your witness?
Hey. Situation.
Situation is that they're mine and anybody who tries to take him is a colonizer.
Well, it'll just mix things up more that way.
Warriors versus...
Which you might have known if you hadn't slept through that entire workshop.
Do bug you. I knew it. I just... You got a lot of people here thinking you're all rainbows and unicorn shit. But I see you.
Work. And don't get me wrong, I'm dying for that. To 1,000.
I know how to eat this soft, beautiful treasure. I can show you, and it does not take garlic butter. All it takes is finesse.
Most action any of us have gotten.
Judge, but it turns out she drinks, she smokes, she... You say your prayers with that mouth? Throw a clue why you'd want any souvenir. We can find any of that shit out there. You didn't tell me you were dancing in the big leagues. Dumb joke, never mind. Except you're not. You're too nice, Bernice. Hey, it's cool.
Hey. And then last night.